Trigonometry math solution. We have given analysis 1 by 1 plus sin theta minus by 1 minus sin theta. We have to multiply 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, numerator and denominator. So, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square theta, then cos square theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta whole square. A into a square. A square plus twice and even b square. 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta. 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. A plus b whole square. 1 square 2, 1 into sin theta, sin square theta. Now 1 by cos square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. This cos theta square, 1 by cos theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta, sin square theta. Sin theta by cos tan theta. 2 sin theta, 1 by cos sec theta. Sin square theta by cos tan square theta. As 1 by cos square theta, sin square theta, sin theta by cos theta. I mean sin square theta by cos tan square theta. Analysis and analysis. I had to analyze further was this realization study from only. In my previous lecture, I had analyzed factorization, equation, arithmetic progression, and a theory, proof theory of algebra, and trigonometry, coordinate geometry, etc., etc. I have analyzed my previous lecture, inorganic chemistry, electron configuration, octet role, duet role, and ionic bond, metallic bond, covalent bond, covalent bond, etc. Reverse evolution, irreverse evolution, thermodynamics in physical chemistry, and chemical equilibrium, etc. Carnot cycle, and in organic chemistry, nomenclature, and homogeneous series, alkane, alkene, alkyne, aliphatic hydrocarbon, and derivative and series process, aromatic hydrocarbon and derivative, Haken rule, and inorganic chemistry, Auber principle, and Han rule, and Pauli exclusion principle. And then I have analyzed some theory of quantum number, physical component, azimuthal compound number, magnetic compound number,